Hey, kitchen warriors and meal prep heroes! Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're counting down the top 5 kitchen gadgets that'll turn your cooking chaos into a Michelin star masterpiece. Spoiler, these aren't just gadgets, they're lifesavers. Let's jump in. Imagine guilt-free crispy fries, chicken wings that crackle like firecrackers, and even baked cookies, all with 80% less oil. That's the air fryer for you. Perfect for lazy weeknights or impressing your snack squad. Pro tip, reheat pizza in this thing and it'll taste better than fresh. Mic drop. Meet the Instant Pot. The Swiss Army knife of kitchens. Slow cooker tenderness? Done. 20-minute chili? Boom. Yogurt? Yep, it's weirdly good at that. This gadget turns I don't have time to cook into dinners ready before the Uber Eats driver even texts. Plus, it's idiot-proof, say goodbye to lumpy soups and arm cramps. The Immersion Blender is like a magic wand for creamy tomato bisque, smoothie bowls, or even whipping cream. No more transferring hot soup to a blender. Just zap it right in the pot. Bonus, it's cheaper than therapy for your cooking frustrations. If chopping onions makes you cry more than The Notebook, the Mind Food Processor is your hero. Salsa in 10 seconds? Done. Pie dough? Easy. Grate a block of cheese faster than you can say nachos. This gadget is the sous chef you don't have to pay or argue with. Bakers, this one's for you. The Smart Kitchen Scale is why your cookies won't taste like hockey pucks. Measure flour to the gram, track calories, or follow European recipes without crying over cups versus grams. Some even sync with apps, because cooking in 2024 should feel like sci-fi. So, which gadget are you sprinting to buy? Drop a comment and tell me. Smash that like button if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen. And subscribe for more life-changing gadget hacks. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and never let a bland meal win. Peace out.